Hi, all YouTubers. Today we're back here at my school and we're going to be launching 2 rockets and rescuing them with the drone here on this fine Saturday morning. So let's get right to it, starting by launching the original one that you saw in the past video. We're going to do. So let's do 2 clicks for this one. And then this is the new one. That one flies off. The new one. Now the new one's getting ready. Off goes the new one. Drone. Now they're both coming down. Calm down. Now that the drone has landed, it's recovery time for both of these 2 rockets. So, this is the old rocket. Yep.
You want to hold the phone while I grab them up and do another launch?
Yep.
It's
So,
zoomed in, maybe? Yeah. Almost.
yeah, YouTubers. We got rocket being loaded.
You don't stand so close to it. I'm going to let those roaches drop in there by themselves.
Yep.
And then just shove the parachute in there.
Okay. I tried this one.
You can tell this is the new one from the ropes.
Oh, yeah.
They're a little more stiff. Okay. Did you see how long the parachute lasted? That was amazing.
I know.
Okay. Yeah. There's your remote.
Okay, now the drone itself, go ahead and fly right on back. And then up goes the rockets. Oh, we got a bad parachute. Is that a new or old one? I'll figure. Okay, since they're 2 rockets, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend that people jumped out from the drone to rescue the first rocket. Okay, now it's time to second. Okay, now it's time to rescue both of them. Is it new or old? The new one. YouTubers, the drone is just hovering back there behind me.
You can launch it at the same second to see who goes higher.
Oh yeah, good idea. I'm predicting that the new one will go higher. Because it's newer.
Sure.
Well, okay. So.
Did I make it do that?
I did that.
It chased
I
me.
wasn't expecting you to do that, by the way. I was not expecting you. So.
I probably just did the parachute wrong.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do them at the exact same second.
Oh wait, yeah. I'll do one, you do one. Okay.
I'll film. That's not safe. Because I broke this tripod. Hold up.
You got that rocket, and we have that rocket.
Sometimes it gets looped around the little. There we go. Okay, both of these are gonna be perfect.
Okay. Here you go.
Just stand in the middle and do them both.
Who goes higher? I think they went the same height. Now, who has the better parachute? So who drops last? One was winning, and then it just started dropping. We'll see the winners after I launch the drone first. So that was very fun. Now it's determined that this rocket was the winner because it touched the ground there, and it is the new one.
It is the new one.
The old one was winning, and then it just started dropping.
Parachute.
So this one won. This is our winner. And so yeah, bye all YouTubers. See you in the next video that we have to make ahead of me.